Welcome to Shripriti Educational Online Classes. So today we are going to start crop tool. So here we are going to see how to use crop tool. Here you can see I have already opened the two images. So we will work on it. Here you can see the shortcut key for selecting the crop tool C. You can press C from your keyboard or press Shift plus C for switching between these three tools: crop tool, slice tool, slice select tool. So here I'm going to select crop tool, and when I'm pressing Shift and C, then here you can see the tool is switches between these three types: crop tool, slice tool, perspective tool. Four type, which is not seen here. Here is not seen, but here is the four types. So first of all, we are going to select crop tool. As I told you, the crop tool is used to remove the extra background that we don't want in our image, or we want to remove that part from the image. So we are going to use the crop tool. Or if we want to select specific part of the image from the whole image, then we are going to use the crop tool. So here you can see the properties that are related to the crop tool is shown below to the menu bar. Here you can see all the properties that are related with the crop tool, like width, height and resolution. These are the some defined resolution or defined ratio, defined sizes in which we want. If you want the image in 4 by 5 with 300 pixels per inch, then select this. So automatically it select only this part. If you want 8.5 by 11, then you can select. This means that 8.5 उसकी width हो गई, 11 इंच उसकी height हो गई, 300 pixels per inch उसका resolution के लिए हमने use किया. If I want to delete all these properties selected, then I want to choose clear. So like this. Now I'm going to select 16 by 9 ratio. So this is here. You can see. And then click OK. This is the work of the crop tool. Then I'm showing you another example of crop tool in this. Here we are going to use the fixed defined ratios. But now I want to use कि मुझे कितना काटना है, कितना काट के कितना उसमें से ऑब्जेक्ट निकालना है एक होल इमेज से, तो हम अब ये देखेंगे. So again I am selecting crop tool, and here I am adjusting this frame. This is the frame of the crop tool, and you can adjust according to your image. That's right. क्योंकि वहाँ पे वो सिलेक्टेड था 16 by 9, इसलिए वो इतना ही ले रहा था. अब हमने सिलेक्ट कर दिया कि हमें इतना पार्ट चाहिए इमेज का. ओके, डन. click on to the right also. The selected part of the image, the part we cropped, is comes here. So this is the work of the crop tool. Now here you can see the another tool is slice tool. So what is a slice tool? Slice means to divide the image. In Photoshop, slice tool is mainly used for the purpose of website slicing, website template slicing, or in slicing when we are doing a slicing in websites, and we also put the links like home link, URL. So this is some advanced level things. So we will learn this in advanced course. But before from that, we are going to learn basics of slice tool. So the main basic of the slice tool, it cuts the image in slices. So here you can see the slice tool, like some knife comes in the slice tool. So here I'm going to select this part, then this part, this part, so here you can see some numbering comes 1 2 3 3 part, और जब मैं इसको बना दूंगी तो ये 4th part हो जाएगा. So this is the 4th part. Now go to the file and export. Click on to the export and save for web. When you click on to the save for web, a dialog box will appear where you have to set some properties. Like if you named it, then this is the defined preset हो जाएगा एक ये. इसको हमें किस फॉर्मेट में चाहिए, जो इमेजेस, ये जो स्लाइसिंग है इसके पार्ट्स कट होके एक इमेज के तौर पे आ जाएंगे, एक इमेजेस बन जाएंगे, सबकी स्लाइसेस की अलग अलग इमेजेस बन जाएगी. तो अगर आपको इमेज गिफ में चाहिए, जेपीईजी में चाहिए, पीएनजी में चाहिए, जिस भी उसमें चाहिए, वो इमेज आपको जिस फॉर्मेट में, वो वहां पे जाके स्टोर हो जाएगी. तो ये बाय डिफॉल्ट एक इमेज नाम का आपका डेस्कटॉप पे फोल्डर क्रिएट कर देता है जाके. और जब ये डेस्कटॉप पे बाय डिफॉल्ट फोल्डर क्रिएट कर देता है तो उसमें ये सारी की सारी स्लाइसिंग की हुई इमेजेस सेव हो जाती हैं. Here you can see images only. अगर so these are the images which I have take a cutout with the help of the slice tool. Now we are going to see slice select tool is. Slice select tool is to select the slice frame that we have done the slicing with the help of the slice tool. So before going to see the slice select tool, we will take a slice tool to make a slice over to this image. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here you can see I have done 5 slices of this image. This means that this image have 5 parts. Now I want to adjust the size of these slices. So I'm going to select slice select tool. Now here you can see I want to resize this. I want only this part, and I'm going to place it here, right? And then if you want to delete the slice, then right click from your mouse and then delete the slice. So here you can see that slice is deleted. Now I'm going to again make a slice here. Okay. Now again click onto the slice select tool and I want to adjust this. Which slice do you want to adjust? Click on that slice. Like I want to adjust this slice, then I select that slice. I want to select this slice for adjusting. I want to move this slice. My favorite design की जगह मैं 5 things से start करूँगी. Favorite things इतना part चाहिए मुझे. Okay. So हमने adjust कर लिया. अपने हिसाब से adjust कर लो आप इसको. Then click onto the file. Then select export. From export you can select save for web. So the preview of the slices is shown in the left hand side. Now save it. Save. क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी एक बार करके देख चुके हैं इसलिए हमें यहाँ पे रिप्लेस करना पड़ा. The next tool is the perspective tool. Here you can see in the crop tool there is no perspective tool. For selecting the perspective tool you just press Shift C. So here you can see another tool, that is perspective tool. So I'm clicking this. Perspective tool have grids. You can select the images that is in, we can say that जैसे कुछ टेढ़ी मेढ़ी images होती हैं या कुछ इस तरीके से, तो उन images को select करने के लिए हम use करते हैं. अब यहाँ से मैं इसको adjust कर लेती हूँ कि मुझे कितना कितना चाहिए. Okay. So here you can see. Now I get it. तो वो इमेज किस तरीके से था, टेढ़ा था, थोड़ा फ्लिप में था, अब मुझे कैसे मिल गया एकदम स्ट्रेट. So this is the work of the perspective tool. Thank you. So please stay safe during COVID-19 and don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon and also hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.